Here's 5 things that the Republican Congress quietly passed this week while we were all distracted. Number 1, they passed their budget plan. This plan adds trillions, that's plural, trillions of dollars to our national debt. It also takes almost $1 trillion from healthcare. Why? To help those 1%ers, those billionaires, give them tax cuts on our backs, the rest of us. 2, the SAVE Act. This makes it really difficult for people to register to vote. If your driver's license, the name on that, doesn't match the name on your birth certificate, you may be denied the right to register to vote. This is really going to affect married women and those who live abroad. Because let's face it, when women get married, don't we usually take our spouse's last name? Funny how that really is going to affect married women. So women, we need to stand up and fight, don't you think? We all deserve a right to vote. We fought, women before us fought to give us the right to vote. Now it seems like it's being taken away. Almost kind of like Roe v. Wade was taken away. 3, blocked efforts to curb Trump's tariffs. This bill pretty much took away Congress's rights to control tariffs and pretty much gave Trump the right to do whatever he wants to as far as his authority over tariffs. Kind of funny, don't you think so? And what makes it really funny to me is this all happened this week. First, the tariffs were in effect, then a 90-day hold for every place but China, and the stock market just tanked. I, for one, lost about 10% from our 401k. How's yours doing? Number 4, the No Rogue Ruling Act. This affects federal judges. You know, those people who have been ruling against Trump sometimes in recent rulings. Well, now their rulings are only going to be over their local jurisdiction. Does that seem right? A federal judge rules on laws that affect the federal government or the country, however you want to look at it. But basically, it's for laws for the entire country. But under this No Rogue Act, it's only over their local jurisdiction. What do we have local judges for? And it's funny how all of a sudden they're going after the judges now too, to limit their power. Why? Because some of them have been ruling correctly, in my opinion, on some of the decisions that Trump has done as being unconstitutional. But no more. In this one, number 5, I didn't even know it was on the table. Overdraft fees. You know, they're about $30, $35, right? There's no cap on them now. They can be whatever your bank wants to be. Think about it. You're trying to pay your bills, and for whatever reason, you have an overdraft. Instead of paying $30 or $35 fee, it could be $100, $200, or whatever the bank wants it to be. Why? Because there's no longer any cap on overdraft fees. Did you know about that? I know I didn't. But all of these 5 bills were very quietly passed while we were so concentrated on the tariffs and the stock market. Funny how Congress can get in there and pass some laws when they want to, not when the country needs them to. What do you think? Did you know about these 5 laws? And what do you think about them? How are they going to affect you? Hasn't even been 3 months, people. As of today, it's April 11th. The inauguration was January 20th. Let me know in the comments what you think. Till next week's vlog, all the best.